rat.
Perfect depth.
Yep. Move some of these little sticks out of the way.
This is your crossover set?
This is my damn crossover set.
Damn crossover set? Your damn crossover set?
The damn crossover set.
Yeah.
I don't like that. You gotta replace the triggers on these.
Yeah.
Woo! I haven't set this one in a minute. Oh yeah.
That's perfect. There's some good ones down by your feet too.
Alright, so I got the one.
There you go. Oh my God, that was absolutely.
Two.
Yeah.
Then, here's the big thing. Now,
The wire?
I have to try to find my wire.
There you go.
There it is.
Got a nice anchor right there. A big fat tree. Cool, you can be able to see this from the road.
Always at least 3 wraps.
Yep. When you think you got it good, go one more.
Yep.
Did you pull the safety off that side?
Yep.
Cool. I didn't see it.
Safeties are released.
So we're good to go.
Almost. Just gotta do a little blocking.
Yeah. Actually.
And what I like to do is keep it pretty natural. So I'll do something like that.
Yeah, there you go. Got a big stick right there. There you go. Oh, that's perfect.
Just like that.
Good job.
That's as easy as it is.
Yep. Easy. Jesus, you make me nervous. That fast current too.
Yep.
All right.
Well, if it hasn't set it off by now,
Yeah, that's true.
she's good to go.
You're good to go.